everybody, all right, I have an unboxing today of some Chalk Couture. All right, you guys, I've got a Chalk Couture haul for you today, and I'm actually really excited about it because I want to show you everything that is in this box. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with Chalk Couture, you should definitely check them out, especially if you love to craft and DIY, because they have some amazing, flip this box around, they have some amazing chalk paste, they have chalk ink, they have some transfers or some stencils, like some really, really cool things. And I've got a decent amount of stuff here. So let's just start with the first. Wow, look at that stencil. What's really cool about these, by the way, these are all reusable. You can wipe these down with just like tap water and using your sponge. Like, it's really, really easy to clean these. Don't put them in hot soapy water like I told people to do before. So there's that. I apologize for the glare. Look who came and joined us, Mr. Otis. Hi, baby boy. So he'll probably pop over here soon and you'll see his little shark fin tail there. So the other thing that I grabbed was this little sign holder. Now, what's really cool about these sign holders, and what's really cool kind of about Chalk Couture in general, is that if you mess up when you're doing a stencil or transfer or something on here, you can actually wipe it off. You can just use some, I think it's just like room temperature water and some, and your eraser or a sponge, and you'll clean your stencils and you can reuse them like 18 times or something like that. So it's crazy. But this is a double-sided A-frame sign. So what's cool about this is when you set it up, this is kind of the frame, and it stands, I think it has an easel, or no, it stands like a kind of like a sandwich board. And then y'all are like, what is he talking about? And then this is one background that you can do, this kind of a wood grain, and then you've got this one that is a white, just kind of it's kind of a wood grain as well, but super, super cool, and it's got that kind of leather trim. And again, what I love about Chalk Couture is that you can erase this and kind of redo everything if you want to. Now, this is another one. This is gonna be hard to see because of the sticker, but I will try and open this one up. This is a travel kind of related transfer, and I saw this amazing DIY that somebody put these on some suitcases, and I just thought it was brilliant. But check that out. There's like those little travel stamps, and then you've got the little saying here, it's my heart was made to travel, but there is no place like home. How cute is that? And I realize you guys are probably saying it backwards, but it's super, super cute. I really love that, and I can't wait to use that on a board or something, or maybe even luggage. I may just figure out who did that and then totally give them some props and some other things. Look at this. So this is a huge, huge stencil. I had no idea it was this big. So what you can do is you can make a leaning sign like for your front porch, and you can spell out the word lemonade, and then they've got these great like lemons on here. You've got some with the green that looks like an egg, but you can put prices on there. That one says ice cold, fresh, sweet, like fresh lemonade. How cute is this? This is definitely going to be a DIY. I'm going to show you some chalk paste that I have that, and then there's more stencils, and there's some other really fun stuff. So Chalk Couture kind of has these like little sample packets almost. You do pay for them, but this particular one is called Blue Lagoon. So it's got all kinds of kind of blue tones, and like looks like there's some green, there's some dark gray. So super fun colors to use, and especially since you know me and blue, we're gonna definitely do that. And then this is another kind of sample packet that is called Keep It Neutral, and I don't know if they're technically called sample packets or what, but it's a great way to experience some different colors, especially if you don't have a really big budget. So there's some black, I believe there's some grays, some whites in there because we're keeping it neutral. And that one's going to be super fun. And then you can buy individual colors as well. And I was able to get some of those. And so let's kind of separate them all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I forgot. These are not. Okay. These are not chalk paste. These are called chalk ink. You put it on just like you're doing a stencil, except for it's ink. See there where it says chalk ink right there? Sorry for the middle finger. But this will allow you to, it's just like ink. So you can put it on t-shirts, you can put it on, you know, tote bags, you can put it on anything you want. And what's really, really cool about this is that it will not get like crusty like paint will if you were to paint on a t-shirt and not use like a fabric paint or something. You can wash this. There's all kinds of really cool things that you can do with this. So definitely check that out. And we will definitely be doing some DIYs with that. And of course, you see, I got all of my favorite colors. So that will be something that's coming out for sure. And then I did get some larger chalk paste because I knew that I'd be doing a lot of these. I wanted to get this black one. I think this is the black one. Yep, it's called Black Velvet. And it's a good sized container. This stuff really, really goes a long way. But I wanted that because of the, the general store sign, and I've got an idea for that. I wanted white because, again, I'm trying to, you know, not only have some chalk paste and stuff. This is called bright white, by the way. But I want to have some because I know that like black, whites, blues, things like that. I'm actually really shocked that I didn't get a larger one in blue. Then I got this great yellow color. This is called Pucker. This was the color of the month. And I'm super excited about that one because the color of the month typically is kind of limited. And it's only for an exclusive amount of time. And if you want to find out how you can get some of those exclusive colors, definitely let me know. And then there's a tote bag. This is going to be loud, but I'm going to open this up really quickly. I'm curious how big this is. Sorry. All right, so there's this tote bag, and it's actually really good size. Look at that. I believe this is the large. And so, and it's got the handles, of course. So great size bag, right? You can use it for a lot of different things. I was thinking for the chalk ink, and I thought it could be fun, and this is still like a TBD, but I mean, it's a great reusable grocery bag, right? Or a great beach tote or anything like that. But how fun would it be to put the general store ink transfer on here and then be able to use it like when you go grocery shopping and stuff? I think that that could be a lot of fun, and I was definitely kind of considering that. And then there's a couple more transfers, and then we're gonna be done. Then we're gonna be done. So this is really fun. It says, takeout is my favorite recipe. And again, I apologize for that glare, but you see it's got like a little Chinese food box and your chopsticks up there. Super, super cute. And then on the back of this, by the way, it does tell you guys like how to use them if you've not used them any, you know, at all before. And then like that frame, there it is. So that frame that's in here would actually work really perfect for this because you can see the white board that's in there. It's about the same size as the stencil. So like this could be a fun sign. Like imagine having a dinner party and putting out something like this for your guest. And they have all kinds of food related ones. So like if the takeout one didn't work for your theme, that could be really fun. But if you did do a dinner party and then maybe you were doing like some to-go boxes, how cute could that be to set up, you know, when people are in the living room drinking and doing silly stuff. This is just a fun one, speaking of silly, and I just thought it was funny. So I know you can't see it. So that's a screw, and that's a U. Screw you. Not screw you, but you know what I mean. And that again is another stencil that or transfer that you could use. And I thought that that one really, really was cool. And then this one it says, and chill. So it's the big and first and sign. And then you've got the word chill right there. Again, super, super cute. This is a good size, actually. This is bigger than I thought it would be too. And by the way, they do give you measurements of things, but you know, I wasn't really kind of thinking about that when I was ordering these. But I can imagine some Dollar Tree blanks that would go really, really good on. And then this is fun. I wanted to get a t-shirt, but I need to just order a t-shirt online. But this is super fun, and it says, more issues than Vogue. I'm kind of turning it to the side here because of the glare that you're getting, but see where it says, more issues than Vogue. And I think that, if you could see it, would be really, really cute on a t-shirt. That would be really cute on a tote bag. And I'm just excited to be kind of exploring with Chalk Couture. I've never really used it like a whole lot other than going to the Pinners Conference. And then of course, using the transfers that I do have that were from the Pinners Conference. So these are going to be fun to use, and I'll definitely be incorporating these into some Dollar Tree products and some DIYs, because Dollar Tree has some fantastic blanks, and it's very, very easy to take some of these and, you know, transfer that design onto something. And by the way, for those of you that are opening up like an Etsy store or doing any kind of shopping, or not shopping, but maybe you're creating things to sell on the Etsy store, you're allowed to use these designs on your Etsy store because they give you the rights and the permissions to be able to do that. So if you wanted to create like a whole bunch of these or a whole bunch of one of these and make t-shirts and make tote bags and do all kinds of signs, like you really could do that and you could make money off of that. I don't have the time or the patience. So I'm doing it for myself. Now, let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. I really am enjoying my kind of Chalk Couture journey. This pucker and that lemonade side is going to be perfection. I'm so excited about this one. I'll kind of show you too. I was getting ready to do my closing and then I start talking again. Oh, it's sealed, so I can't show you. I was going to show you what the consistency is, but it's a consistency of paste. Super, super easy to use as well. It's giving me a little difficulty closing. But again, let me know in the comments below what you think about Chalk Couture, if you've tried it or not. There is a link down below where you can join the Chalk Couture Club, and that will give you some discounts. And it also gives you $20 worth of like a $20 credit essentially to put towards your order. And there's so many fun things. I'm gonna link as many of these as I can in the comment box below, but if you just go to the link that is there, it's chalkcouture.com/thecraftyDIY you can just kind of see all of the things that are available. They have clearance items, they have sale items, they have limited, you know, supplies of stuff. Again, they get the special kind of monthly colors and things like that. So there's a lot of really fun things that you can do. And what I like about it, especially like with the smaller sample packs and things like that, you can really just kind of test the waters and see how you like it before you do a really, really big investment, which I think is really good. And especially when we're doing Dollar Tree DIYs and things like that, this is a nice kind of complement to some of those. All right, guys, I will chat with you later. And thank you again for subscribing. We're so close to 100K. And make sure your notification bells and all that are turned on. And I will chat with you later. All right, bye-bye.